Okay, the auto boot generator from Compute's second book of Commodore 128 will make the 128 auto load and run a program called Preferences. Lines 1020 and 1040 contain CHR codes corresponding to each letter for the preferences, and the name of the auto booted program can be changed by changing those codes. So I'm going to list that part of the program. Lines 1020 and 1040. You can see the 80 stands for the P, 82 for the R, and so forth. So you can change the name of the program that auto boots by changing these codes. Okay, I've got this disk in drive 9, and I'm going to run it, and it's going to execute on drive 8. I can say no to format disk. Okay, now I need to load the preferences program from device 9. I'll give a listing of that. So in line 10, it's going to switch to the 80 column mode. It's going to clear the 80 column mode. Then it's going to program key 8 to switch between 40 and 80 columns and change key 1 to automatically load and run a program I have called go to part. Line 40 is going to turn off the key repeat. Line 50 is going to change the cursor to light yellow, and 60 is going to change the background on the 80 column to black. And then it's going to clear itself out of memory. So I'm going to save this on device 8. Okay, now let's reset our 128 and see if it auto boots. Okay, it is loading and running our preferences program. And you can see the 80 column screen has gone blank and a yellow cursor. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.